Hi guys, when I mentioned I'd bought some more of these USB soldering irons because the tip had worn out on the first one that I bought, Deslo Meslaga suggested wrapping some copper wire around the tip to conduct the heat and use that as a new tip. So I've just done that, as you can see. Haven't tried it yet, but I've just wrapped some thick copper wire around the tip. So we'll plug it in and see if it warms up enough to do some soldering. Have to give it a bit of time to warm up, obviously. It's certainly heating up. Put the fan on to blow the fumes away. There we go, it's warm enough to melt the solder. I'll get something that we can solder and see if we can do it. Right, this is probably not a really fair test, but we'll go for it anyway. I've got a simple sliding switch there, and I've got a 9-volt battery there. It's got a cross on it to mark that it's fairly dead. I'm going to solder some wires onto there, and then onto the switch, and then onto this electric motor. Let's shorten it a bit, see if that'll help. I think we've done it. That was asking far too much. That tiny little tip trying to heat up large lumps of metal. So it did work, but it struggled. That wasn't really a fair test, using quite large metal surfaces trying to solder onto them. For just joining two bits of wire together, I think it'd be fine. Job done.